Welcome to our channel, Auto Luxury Cars. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Opel Insignia, a perfect blend of style, performance, and innovation. Let's explore what makes this car stand out. Exterior. The 2025 Opel Insignia boasts a sleek and modern design, featuring a redefined front grille, sharp LED matrix headlights, and aerodynamic lines. Bold alloy wheels and striking color options enhance its road presence, making it a head-turner from every angle. Performance. Under the hood, the Insignia offers a choice between a turbocharged petrol engine and an eco-friendly hybrid option. With up to 250 horsepower, smooth handling, and advanced suspension, the driving experience is dynamic and responsive. The hybrid version ensures reduced emissions without compromising on performance. Interior. Step inside to experience luxury and comfort. The cabin is equipped with premium materials, ergonomic seats, and ambient lighting. A 12-inch digital cockpit and a state-of-the-art infotainment system keep you connected, while ample legroom and storage make every journey enjoyable. Safety features. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Insignia. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera for enhanced visibility. Euro NCAP's 5-star rating highlights its commitment to your safety. Prices. Starting at an estimated €35,000, the Opel Insignia offers excellent value for its features. Prices may vary based on trims and optional packages, ensuring there's a model for every need and budget. Outro. That's the 2025 Opel Insignia, a car that delivers on every front. Let us know your favorite feature in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. See you in the next video.